Hey folks, how you doing? This is Uluring Gaming from server 773 and this is season 2 celebration week 3 day 1, and we got season 2 celebration champions duel starting from today. As you can see, it's qualifier day 1 of 4th. Okay, so qualifiers gonna be held from 5/12 to 5/16 of May, and you can see my match is already lined up in here. As you can see, uh, I got some guy from AXQ. I may I see his information. Okay, so as you can see, he's from 789 107 CP and other details. So this is the lineup for me, and it's gonna be starting in just 10 hours from now, likely server 12 time, and there will be 8 rounds today. For me, you can upgrade your lineup by syncing data. As you can see, I have lined up and I will wait for battle. And you don't need to attend this event or match because it will be automatically done. You don't have to do anything in here. This will match every time automatically, and match will result in victory or loss automatically. So if you are not online that time, it doesn't matter. And as you can see, black market challenge is also back, and we're gonna earn lots of black market cash. So as you can see, we're gonna get a radar task double rewards. We're gonna get double rewards for radar task after completing some radar tasks to earn BM cash. We're gonna get cash from secret mobile squad also. This method doesn't count towards the BM cash limit. Then you can earn cash by Doom Elites, Zombie Wanted Boss, and Zombie Invasion, Doom Walkers, General Trial, Alliance Exercise, Muster for Battle. So there are lots of ways to obtain the black market cash, and you can use it in black market. And here you can read the instructions about just what I said. And secret task in secret mobile squad during the event will also give extra BM, that I also said. And after you rally or complete radar task, as I will show you here, you can see we got now cash in the radar and all rallies. So you're gonna get lots of cash from these tasks. Okay, so you just need to make sure you rally on something, and you can see the black market cash is now added. So if you have enough black market cash, you can get whatever you like from here. Like there are lots of premium uh, rewards from here, so you can refresh and get the rewards you like.